If satellites stopped working right now, missiles would miss their targets, planes would lose navigation, and entire countries could go blind in seconds. No warning, no signal, no backup ready in time. And in a real war, that moment could change everything. Most people think satellites are just for maps and TV. They're not. They control GPS, military targeting, communication between armies, banking systems, air traffic, shipping routes. Even your phone depends on them more than you think. Right now, above your head, thousands of satellites are quietly running the world, and almost nobody notices them. Now imagine this: a war begins, and suddenly, signals start dropping. GPS begins to drift, coordinates don't match, missiles lose accuracy, drones stop responding, ships at sea start losing their position. Planes don't fall out of the sky instantly, but navigation becomes uncertain. And then comes the worst part. No one knows if it's a glitch or an attack. Modern warfare depends on precision. Without satellites, precision disappears. Missiles that were supposed to hit targets start missing by miles. Surveillance systems go blind. Communication delays increase. And suddenly, countries are forced to make decisions with incomplete information, which is how mistakes happen. And in war, mistakes escalate everything. But it doesn't stop at the battlefield. Civilian systems start breaking too. GPS in cars becomes unreliable. Flights get delayed or rerouted. Shipping slows down. Emergency services struggle to respond accurately. Financial systems begin to feel pressure, because timing and location are everything. And satellites control both. So when they go dark, the world doesn't just panic, it starts to disconnect. And now comes the most dangerous question. Was it intentional? Because taking down satellites is no longer science fiction. Countries already have the ability to jam signals, disable systems, or even destroy satellites entirely. And if one side believes the other just blinded them, they won't wait to confirm it. They'll respond. So what happens if satellites go dark in war? It's not just a technical failure, it's confusion, miscalculation, escalation. Because in modern conflict, seeing clearly is everything. And the moment that disappears, the world becomes a much more dangerous place. Subscribe to Raven Briefing, because some scenarios are closer than they seem.